Do you know many people are having trouble with water leaking from their washing machine filters? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Turn off washer. First, turn off your washer and unplug the power cord for safety. Step 2. Use emergency drain. Next, use the emergency drain method to remove water from the drum. Step 3. Open filter cover. Press the top area of the filter cover gently to open it. Step 4. Drain remaining water. Turn the pump filter knob to the left to drain any remaining water. Step 5. Clean pump filter. Clean the pump filter with a soft brush, checking that the drain pump propeller is unclogged. Step 6. Reinsert pump filter. Reinsert the pump filter, turn the knob to the right, and close the filter cover. By following these steps, you should be able to stop the water from leaking out of your filter. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Samsung users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.